In the cheerful town of Joyville, where laughter danced through the air like playful butterflies, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were ready for a day of whimsical adventures. Fluffly, with his bouncy tail and twinkling eyes, had a fantastic idea, a game called Joyville Musical Island Hopping. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Joyville, Fluffly wiggled his ears and spread coloured mats in a circle to represent magical islands. The friends were excited, ready for the hopping challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, tapped a joyful tune, and the musical island hopping was ready to begin. Dividing into two teams, Team Hoppers and Team Boppers, the friends eagerly awaited the signal from Fluffly. With a magical twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the hopping fun begin." The children, with laughter and glee, hopped from island to island as the music played. Each island had a different colour: red, blue, green, and yellow, creating a colourful dance floor. The friends, with their giggles echoing like a melody, hopped from island to island, matching the colour announced by Fluffly. "Hop to the red island!" he called out, and the children giggled as they hopped onto the red mat. The music played, creating a joyous rhythm as they danced from island to island. As the music continued, Fluffly, with a playful gleam in his eye, added a twist. "Hop to the island with your favourite animal sound." The children burst into laughter as they imitated hopping with bunny hops, frog leaps, and even elephant stomps. Joyville echoed with the sounds of playful animal hopping. With each round, Fluffly, the hopping maestro, removed one island, making the game more challenging and fun. The children hopped with determination, making sure to land on the right coloured island before it disappeared. Laughter filled the air as they hopped, twirled, and danced their way through the vibrant game. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Joyville Musical Island hopping a success. The friends gathered in the centre of the circle, sharing stories of their hopping adventures. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the circle of islands into a cosy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their hopping escapade. As the sun dipped low in Joyville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of laughter and creative play. The Joyville Musical Island. Hopping became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and rhythmic fun. With dreams of more hopping adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the joyful town of Joyville. In the sunny town of Imaginationville, where giggles floated in the air like colourful balloons, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day of creative adventures. Fluffly, with his bouncy tail and twinkling eyes, had an amazing idea: a game called Imaginationville Sock Puppet Theatre. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Imaginationville, Fluffly wagged his tail and handed out socks and craft supplies. The friends were excited, ready for the puppetry challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical touch, transformed the town square into a puppet paradise. The Imaginationville Sock Puppet Theatre was ready to begin. Each child, with a sock in hand and craft supplies spread out like a colourful palette, eagerly crafted their sock puppet characters. Benny, with a sock and googly eyes, created a puppet with a big grin. Zoe, with her sock and felt pieces, crafted a puppet with a silly hat. Giggly Gus, with his sock and feathers, made a puppet with floppy wings. Lila, with her sock and yarn, designed a puppet with wavy hair. Each puppet reflected the creativity and imagination of its creator. With their sock puppets ready for action, the friends gathered in a cozy puppet theatre area. Fluffly, with a twirl of his tail, became the puppet master, ready to guide their impromptu puppet show. "Welcome, friends, to the Imaginationville Sock Puppet Theatre," declared Fluffly with a bow. The children, with their sock puppets on their hands, giggled in anticipation. Fluffly, with his magical voice, narrated a whimsical story. Once upon a time, in the land of Imaginationville, the sock puppet friends embarked on a grand adventure. The children, with their sock puppets, brought the story to life, hopping, twirling, and exploring imaginary lands. As the puppet show unfolded, each child contributed to the story, creating funny dialogues and playful interactions between their sock puppets. Giggles echoed through Imaginationville as the sock puppets danced and pranced, fostering creativity and imagination. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly concluded the puppet show. The friends, with their sock puppets still on their hands, gathered for a puppet parade around Imaginationville. They showcased their puppet characters, making them talk, dance, and express their puppet personalities. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the puppet theatre area into a cozy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their puppetry adventure. As the sun set in Imaginationville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of creativity and imagination. The Imaginationville Sock Puppet Theatre became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and puppet play. With dreams of more puppetry adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of imaginative surprises in the sunny town of Imaginationville.